Hey everybody, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's exclusive Bennington dealer. Today I want to show you this 2020 Bennington 23 RSR Tritoon with the ESP package and a Mercury 250 horsepower motor. This boat is the beautiful smoky granite color with matador red accent stripe. We don't have a lot of this color scheme floating around on the lakes out here, so this would be definitely something to set you apart. This boat also has the platinum interior pillow top with the diamond pressed inlaid espresso accent. Come on aboard, let me show you a better look. One thing I love about the R series is the contoured bow seating, the flip down armrest with the USB charging ports. The RSR floor plan has the very popular captain and co-captain seat with the stern radius seating, also contoured with flip down armrests, and comes with the filler seat that can be placed either in the back of the boat or in the bow of the boat, depending upon your boating and seating needs. Take a look at the dash here on this boat. Absolutely beautiful, well laid out. This has the elevated helm with the zebra wood paneling. It does have the 9-inch Simrad dash. This isn't even connected to the engine, so we'll show you all of your gauges, chart plotter, and everything right on that screen. Of course, Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo. And we also do the RBG lighting package on this boat. So all of your cup holders and speakers light up in all sorts of different colors to give you nice ambient lightings in the evenings. This boat does have the seagrass flooring with the 10-foot long bimini top. And like all Benningtons, will come with a full playpen cover. And with the Tritoon package and this 250 horsepower Mercury motor, of course, it'll have the ski pylon so you can pull the kids on the tube. Really hope you can come out here to our showroom, get a better look at this, and let us show you all of what Bennington has to offer. Again, my name is Scott Holmes at MarineMax in Greenville. Give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.